Hi, I'm Bridget Harvey, and this is a change of address. Congratulations, you are in contract. Now what? There are a few key steps for the sellers to complete. First thing, retain the staging. I essentially sell the property again, this time to the bank, and I want to give the same warm and fuzzy feelings to the appraiser that I gave to the buyers. Secondly, sign the board package pages. The buyers and their brokers, they have the bulk of the work here. Sellers, you can make the process easier by completing your pages quickly. If you're selling a co-op apartment, locate the stock and lease. If you still have a loan on the property, the bank probably has the original copy. If you no longer have a mortgage, maybe it's in a safety deposit box. Reach out to your attorney now to ensure that there are no hiccups. And then finally, move out. Repair holes in the wall, broom clean, and make sure all of the appliances work. We have to ensure that the buyers get the home that they were contractually promised. And then the best step, the closing table. Many attorneys and buildings have become accustomed to virtual closings. You are still welcome to attend if you'd like. The homeowner gets the new keys and the seller, you receive a check in return. So how about you? Let me know in the comments or send me a message if you are considering a change of address.